Today I'm making pandan napkin cake with coconut custard. Pandan leaves, key to the cuisine of Southeast Asia. They carry a slightly sweet, soft floral aroma that is remarkably rice-like, bordering on grassy vanilla mixed with almonds and coconut. Often used to flavor curry, rice dish, and dessert. There are these long, bright green leaves resemble huge blades of grass. In Singapore, if you pay attention, they are grown in abundance even on the roadside. Let's start with the coconut custard. Pandan leaves must be boiled or bruised to release their flavor. Here we tie in a knot and add it to coconut milk. Bring to a simmer and set aside. Today I will show you the old-fashioned way of extracting the flavors and color from the pandan leaves. Here, we just blend the leaves into pieces, place it into a cheesecloth, and squeeze out the concentrate using the cheesecloth. For the coconut custard, we whisk eggs, salt, and brown sugar in a bowl. Gradually stir in the hot coconut milk to the egg mixture. Then we will simmer over at medium heat until thickened about 10 to 20 minutes, stirring constantly. Remove the pandan leaf, transfer the mixture into a bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. For the cake, we first preheat oven to 170 degrees. In a bowl, we combine eggs, yolks, sugar, and salt, whisk in high speed until the sugar dissolves and the mixture triples in volume, about 8 to 12 minutes. Add the pandan extract and flour. Gently fold sifted flour into the batter. Spread the batter evenly into the baking tray and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Allow it to cool in the tray for 10 minutes. Use a knife to release the cake from the side and then sift light layer of icing sugar on top. Place a cutting board on top. Flip and release the cake. Then you cut into 12 even squares. To serve, you place a spoonful of the chilled coconut custard in the middle of each square. Spread lightly and then gently fold the sponge diagonally so that the 2 points join. Here you have it. We use pandan to flavor the napkin cake, and it's filled with pandan coconut custard. The recipe is down in the comment section. Happy cooking!